How's it going, guys? I am the average guy 1983. I'm just checking up on some stuff outside right now. Wanted to give you guys an update real quick on the scooters. I got the InMotion RS already ready to start riding, but it's been raining a lot, and GT1 is halfway done on the wiring for the dash cam that I'm doing on it. I want you guys to give me some feedback on that. Would you guys like to see me run the wires from the GT1 for the dash cam into the scooter so I can show you guys how to do it, or should I just leave it as is, do the project off camera and just show you guys the end results? Let me know, because right now it's raining, so I would have to do this once the rain stops. But yeah, let me show you guys around so you guys can see what's going on. Okay, so right here, this little wall area was a pretty cheap patch job, and it's causing water to leak all the way down into my basement. Let me take you guys to my basement real quick so you guys can see how that's going. I'm going to be getting another shed dedicated for the scooters, and because I have plans and buying my son a new scooter. So let me take you guys in here real quick. Here's my basement, and again, this machine here did a wonderful job powering my water pump thingy here. Our power shut off yesterday, which was Sunday. It was February 4th, and it shut off at 1 p.m. and we didn't get our power restored till 3:45 this morning, which is Monday, February 5th. So my kids stayed home from school. They didn't go. But you guys can see, look, there's water right there leaking from the top, where you can kind of see that little area right there. So I'm going to have to do something to seal that, the little pockets on the edges, as well as this door. So I got a project ahead of me for this summer. But this machine worked great. The weakest link was this smaller battery. I only got about 6 hours of usage out of this. This battery stayed at 100%. This battery and this battery were at 50%. And this one here only had one little icon from the 3 little icons you see there. And the icons for this one is on the opposite side. But it definitely worked for this water pump, which I'm super happy about. I'm going to be upgrading to the $300 15 amp hour batteries times 4, because this is a really good machine for that. Now, here's what I got going on. So you guys can see that I have water in here. You can see all of that water that's going to eventually evaporate. I have damaged wood now for a car audio project I was doing. And the main water leakage is coming from back here. You can kind of see it against the wall there. I have to basically move that cabinet there, and that whole one right there in order to get access to this wall. Use my rotary hammer drill in the hammer drill form with the chisel and get that out, and then patch it up with new cement. See where else on this side I might be having any leaks and fix this up. But so far I've been working on this here, where I have all of my helmets and my gear, and like you guys can see here, all of my tools for my scooters to work on them myself. So I've been slowly using stuff to like make my stuff better, including here, where I have all kinds of stuff that I still need to organize. And then this is my Kaizen foam that I'm supposed to be using to put my tools and stuff organized in this basement. But this is what I got going on. Again, guys, let me know if you guys want to see any wiring stuff on the GT1. This is a Max G2 that I still have disassembled, but let me know. If you guys like to see that, please comment. Share with me, man, this information. I've done this before with the project. Nobody said anything, and when I finally showed like the ending results of the project, everybody was asking me, oh, how'd you do this, how'd you do that? But again, these are long range videos when it comes to doing how-to tutorials, which I love doing, and I love sharing information with you guys. So let me know, man, if you guys would like to see the GT1 getting the cable ran through the scooter so it could look as clean as possible for the rear camera on the Wolfbox G930, please let me know in the comments below of this video. I'm not going to edit anything on this video. I'm just going to put it straight out there, and we'll go from there. But this is what I'm doing in my project so far for this basement. And I added my little scooter station right over here that you can see there with my stuff. That whole counter thing there is dedicated for the scooters. This whole thing is dedicated for all of my camera gear. And this side over here is dedicated for all of my fabricating stuff. And obviously behind me, all the tools that I need for all of my projects for home working and everything. And yeah, it's gonna be a while. And again, this whole thing with my teeth repair, that won't be getting done till about March. So can't wait to get that fixed up, because I'm embarrassed of having my teeth broken like this. But at least my face is starting to look a little bit normal. I still got some scarring that's permanent, and a slight little bump still right here where the original bump was, but my face is starting to get better. I am having some issues with my right leg, so I had to start physical therapy. My right leg has been occasionally getting weak randomly, and I haven't been able to use my scooters because I can't stand on them for too long without me getting like a wobbly right leg. So they're trying to figure out what's going on. It might just be an issue with a nerve after I had that accident on the Max G2. So I want to thank all of you guys for my recovery wishes. And again, man, comment down below if you guys want to see the GT1 getting the dash cam installed and how I'm going to be running everything, so I can show you guys everything from like basically start to finish. And I'll have my wife help me bring that scooter down here because it's pretty heavy at 115 pounds, but she's willing to help me out. So shout outs to my wife Jessica for that. And we'll move forward, guys. But for right now, let's wait till this rain is over, and then I can go ahead and either spring or summertime repair the patch wall that needs to be fixed over there, because that's where the hole is leaking from, and I'm getting all this water in here. But at least this DeWalt thing definitely worked, and it did its job. But I gotta upgrade the batteries to something more powerful to last longer. Other than that, that's it for my little update video, guys. So I'll be seeing you guys very soon. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope to hear from you guys. Peace for now.